effectively what we're doing here is we're authorizing $3.8 trillion in deficit increases without paying for it. And moreover, assuming that the cost is zero. And the reason that's important is mostly for the bond markets and anybody looking at our go forward debt and deficits. That effectively paves the road, a beautiful road for steamrolling through any further deficit increases that any party wants from now on. So this is like sort of the end of any sort of leash on deficit increases or spending from Congress. So that's a very big deal. Other than that, the Medicaid cuts are enormous for the hospitals, and also the energy stocks, as the IRA tax cuts are being repealed to a much greater extent than I think anybody anticipated. The tariffs are obviously a tax on the U.S. consumer. So those tariffs are generating something in the range of about $400 billion to the U.S. Treasury that's being collected by the consumer that pays for it. Then, if you think about what this tax bill offers in terms of new stimulus to the U.S. consumer, it's $166 billion worth of new spend. Everything else is just an extension of the status quo. So this new spend for individuals is on, no taxes on tips, no taxes on overtime, and limited taxes on retirement earnings. That is obviously not an even offset. So you're collecting $400 billion from the US consumer, and over 3 years, you're spending $166 billion on them. So this is a net loser for the US consumer.